Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to send money internationally using PayPal. To begin, simply log in to your PayPal account. Once logged in, navigate to the Send and Request tab. From there, you'll choose whether you're sending money to friends or family, or if you're paying for goods or services. This initial step sets the stage for a smooth and secure international transfer, ensuring your funds reach their intended destination efficiently and without hassle. Next, you'll need to enter the recipient's email address or mobile number. It's crucial to ensure this information is accurate to prevent any delays. Then, specify the exact amount you wish to send. PayPal will also prompt you to choose the currency for the transaction. You can send in their local currency or your own, and PayPal will handle the conversion, showing you the exchange rate upfront for full transparency. Before finalizing, carefully review all the transaction details. This includes checking the exchange rate and any applicable fees, which PayPal clearly displays. Confirm the recipient's details one more time, along with the total amount being sent. Finally, select your preferred payment method, such as a linked bank account, debit card, or credit card. Taking these few moments to double-check ensures accuracy and peace of mind before you hit send. It's important to understand that fees for international transfers can vary. These fees depend on factors like the amount, the chosen currency, and your payment method. Always double-check all recipient information to avoid costly errors or delays. For larger international transfers, consider exploring PayPal's Zoom service, which often offers competitive rates and faster delivery options. Being informed helps you make the best choices for your international money transfers.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.